Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 48,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Multimedia Package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, window defogger, sunroof, and heated front seats. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.